Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
Let's take a look at some of the stocks on the move today. I'm Paul Sweeney alongside Scarlett Fu, and we are joined by Bloomberg's Tatiana Darrier. Tatiana, what are you looking at today?
Yeah, just to follow up on Lisa's observation on Nvidia, now down nearly 7% as its dominance in the AI race is getting challenged by no other than Alphabet. We're starting to see a little bit of differentiation here among the AI agents as everyone suddenly gets excited about their chips and their Gemini 3 model. And I'd say this is a little bit of a DeepSeek moment for the industry, right? But the key difference is that it's a domestic rival. So it's a really real head scratcher in terms of what it all means for the market. Well, for Nvidia individually, it is a clear negative, especially given the reports that Meta is now in talks to spend billions on Google's chips by 2027. Well, my only question is, do they have the capacity to compete with Nvidia?
That is the question, because we know that Nvidia has not been able to meet all the demand that it's encountered so far. All right, let's move on to some retailers. Yeah,
looking at retailers, given the jitters about consumer and their spending, Abercrombie and Finch, that stock is up 25%. Your ticker is ANF. Raised the low end of sales guidance as its Hollister brand continues to gain momentum. Net sales will now grow 6 to 7%, up from the previous outlook of 5%. The move just shows that the retailer is hanging onto some momentum as the CEO there is still trying to turn this ship around. The stock has done really well last year. It has lost some momentum, down about 50% year to date. So this brings some reassurance. It also joins a group of retailers like Gap and TJ Maxx, which have reported good results, showing that resilience among consumers, unlike other chains like Target and Home Depot. So yet again, another mixed season for the retailers, but still some signs of resilience.
And Kohl's. We don't have Kohl's around here, do we?
There is one in Yonkers. Or there used to be. I don't know if it's still there. I haven't been there in a long time.
Okay, I don't see him in Jersey. Okay.
Yeah, Kohl's. Those shares up 35%. Your ticker KSS. The company boosted its sales forecast for the year, saying now it sees sales declining less than predicted. So it's not an outright change of fortunes here. They're still dealing with some softness, but perhaps less than feared. The market is taking this as a sign that the new CEO is helping to stabilize performance at the struggling retail, because this company has seen quite a turbulent period. It had to fire its CEO not too long ago because of some internal issues. So now it's getting back on its feet, but still faces a tough path forward. It has now posted 15 straight quarters of declining year-over-year
Stock
revenue.
is up 35% today.
Yes.
That is a huge move.
Yeah, but it's tanked in recent years.
Yes, it has. It has. You're right. I mean, this is the first positive report I can remember from Kohl's ever.
But the direction is still down, as Tatiana pointed out. What? How many straight quarters of declining comparable sales?
15. So tough road ahead for the new CEO, but nonetheless, some good news today.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.